Hey guys, it's Mr. Murray. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add integers. Remember, integers are whole, positive and negative whole numbers, including 0. Every number on the number line has its opposite. And so when it comes to adding integers, there's two different things we're going to look at. One is we're going to look at when I add integers with the same signs. So if I have a positive number plus a positive number, or a negative number plus a negative number, and then if the signs are different, if I have a positive number plus a negative number, or flip them around. So really, if the signs are the same, the addition is easy. You're going to add the two absolute values. Remember, absolute value is the distance a number is from 0 on the number line regardless of direction, so it's always positive. If I have a negative 7, the absolute value of a negative 7 is 7. So if I have a problem like a positive 3 plus a positive 6, this we've seen for years and years, it's just simply 3 plus 6. Both numbers are positive, so my answer has to be positive. Okay? If I see two negative numbers, a negative 4 plus a negative 8. I want to think of this in terms of adding the absolute values and then taking the sign of the two numbers. They're both negative, so my answer is going to be negative. So I'm just going to add the 4 and the 8. 4 plus 8 is 12, and then take the negative sign. And my answer would be a negative 12. So addition when the numbers have the same signs is real simple. A positive plus a positive gives me a positive. Okay? On the flip side, a negative plus a negative gives me a negative. That's how we add when the signs are the same. Add integers when the signs are the same. Now, when we have different signs, so let's say we have a positive 7 plus a negative 15. Positive 7 plus a negative 15. Well, when the signs are different, what I want to do is I want to find the difference between the two values, absolute values, and then take the sign off of the larger value. So what I would do to solve 7 plus a negative 15 is I would subtract. All right? Take the absolute value, 15 minus 7. My difference between the two absolute values is 8. And then I take the sign off of the larger value, which is the negative 15, so my answer has to be a negative 8. If I have my negative number in front, it's the same thing. If I have a negative 3 plus a positive 2, okay, I want to find the difference, so I'm going to do 3 minus 2, and that equals 1, and I take the sign off of the larger value, so it gives me a negative 1. So when the signs are the same, a positive plus a positive is a positive, a negative plus a negative is a negative. When the signs are different, find the difference of the absolute values, in other words, subtract the values and take the sign off of the larger value. This is how we add integers, when the signs are the same and when the signs are different.